until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Norfolk, northwestern Bristol, and northeastern Providence counties. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plainville, or near North Attleboro, and is nearly stationary. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Taunton, Cumberland, Franklin, North Attleboro, Norwood, Stoughton, Attleboro, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Canton, Norton, Sharon, Foxborough, Norfolk, Rentham, and Plainville, and northeastern Providence counties through 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Foxborough, or near North Attleboro, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, any size hail, and heavy rain in excess of 1 inch. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Newton, Somerville, Pawtucket, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Taunton, Weymouth, Revere, Everett, Braintree, Chelsea, Cumberland, Randolph, Watertown, and Franklin. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Do not drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Avoid low-lying areas near small streams. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. For your safety, go indoors or to your vehicle. The storm may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south-central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, west-central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Attleboro, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail, and heavy rain. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pawtucket, Taunton, Cumberland, North Attleboro, Bridgewater, Attleboro, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, Sharon, Foxborough, Seacon, Raynham, Rehoboth, Norfolk, Rentham, and Plainville.